quality skid loader backhoes at an affordable price. Lackender will meet the challenge of any digging project you have. Always remember to locate all underground utilities before digging. Introducing the Baby Boomer 2000. You will find the hookup of the 2000 to be fast and very easy. To hook it up, all you do is lock down levers and connect the hoses. So quick, so easy, you are now ready to dig up to 7 feet deep. At last, digging is fast and easy. With the Lackender Boomer series, you'll dig with speed and ease. With its excellent maneuverability and visibility, it is now easier than ever to dig. If you will look at the Hydra Swing backhoe, you will see it uses an electric solenoid mount on the backhoe to operate 2 cylinders from 1 hydraulic valve on your machine. Simply mount the switch to your steering lever. Hook the black and white wires to your battery or any 12-volt source. It has an easy plug-in, so you can leave the switch and wire on the machine when you disconnect the backhoe. To operate the swing, hold the switch and move your auxiliary hydraulic valve right or left to swing. When you let go of the switch, your auxiliary valve will operate the bucket cylinder. Before you use it, you will want to remove the 2 yellow-colored bolts used for shipping purposes. Next, open the needle valve on front of the electric solenoid's half to 1 full turn. After startup, you can dial in the speed of swing you desire. Hookup is quick and easy. Pull into the backhoe with your machine, lock your 2 levers down, connect your 2 hydraulic hoses, and plug in the electric wire. You are now ready to dig. Digging is very easy to do. Use your auxiliary control to operate the bucket and let it do the ripping and digging. Lift up the bucket, hold the switch, and swing right or left. Remember to use caution when digging and always locate all underground utilities. One unique feature on the model Hydra Swing backhoe is its capability to offset dig. Simply pull the 2 red-handled pins and move the backhoe boom and cylinder to the right. This offset capability allows you to dig right alongside buildings and foundations. When offset digging, always use common sense so as not to overburden the skid loader in this position. Lubrication points are denoted by the grease gun emblems. Grease major pivot points twice daily when in heavy use.